Walking through the dimly lit alleys, I felt the weight of the city's secrets pressing in. The old key in my pocket was more than a relic. It was a gateway to a past long forgotten. The moment I discovered the hidden symbol, I knew I was on the right track. With each step deeper into the passageway, the air grew colder and the silence more profound. This was a journey not just through the city's underbelly, but through history itself. My heart raced with every discovery, knowing the truth we were uncovering could change everything.
Alex in a shadowy alleyway. The scene captures the gritty, noir atmosphere you selected. Alex spots the shadowy figure and prepares to follow. Alex cautiously navigating a narrow alley filled with tension and suspense, capturing the tense moment as Alex faces the shadowy figure at the end of the alley. Shadowy figure is revealed as an old acquaintance holding an old-fashioned key, leaving Alex both confused and relieved. Alex receiving an old-fashioned key from the mysterious acquaintance, deepening the intrigue, depicting the tense moment as Alex and the acquaintance react to a sudden noise behind them, heightening the suspense, where the source of the noise is revealed to be a stray cat, allowing Alex and the acquaintance a moment of relief before refocusing on the key's mystery. Alex and the acquaintance delve into the mystery of the key, plotting their next move. Capturing the moment Alex and the acquaintance decide to follow the key's lead, setting the stage for their upcoming adventure. Alex and the acquaintance step out of the alley into the vibrant, bustling city streets, setting a new tone for their adventure, depicting Alex and the acquaintance noticing a mysterious figure watching them from across the road, adding a sense of intrigue and potential danger to their adventure. The mysterious figure moves towards Alex and the acquaintance, increasing the tension as they consider an escape route, as they swiftly turn into a narrow, dimly lit alley to evade the mysterious figure, as they catch their breath in the narrow, shadowy alley. Alex and the acquaintance discover a symbol on the wall matching the key's design, shifting their focus to the mystery. Alex and the acquaintance as they inspect the symbol and search for a hidden mechanism. Capturing the moment the hidden door reveals itself, opening to a dark and mysterious passageway. Alex and the acquaintance cautiously entering the dark passageway, filled with anticipation and a sense of mystery. Alex and the acquaintance discovering a hidden chamber filled with ancient artifacts and cryptic symbols, illuminated by a dim, flickering light. Alex and the acquaintance discovering an ancient book filled with mysterious drawings and writings, possibly providing clues to the mystery they are unraveling. Alex and the acquaintance discovering a diagram in the book that matches the symbols and key design, leading to a moment of realization. Alex activates the hidden mechanism, revealing a dark and foreboding passageway. Alex and the acquaintance as they begin their descent into the hidden passage, stepping into the unknown with determination and resolve.
Welcome to the world of comic creation with custom ChatGPT Comic Book Creator. Dive into our comprehensive tutorials designed to help you craft your own comic books from scratch. Learn how to use aesthetic numbers to enhance your comic's visual appeal. Easily upload your own story and watch it come to life. Master the art of creating engaging comic pages. Add dialogue with customizable speech bubbles. Experiment with various page layouts to find the perfect fit for your story. Update the aesthetic to match your creative vision. Learn how to add animals or create entire comics with animal characters. With Comic Book Creator, your final product will feature character consistency, easy updates, and a host of other benefits. Start your comic creation journey today with Comic Book Creator. Unleash your imagination and create comics like never before. Visit the link to learn more and begin your adventure.